What if you could make your money work for you in 2025? Whether you're starting with just a little or finally ready to invest seriously, this is your beginner's roadmap to investing wisely. In 2025, inflation is still a factor. Saving alone won't cut it. Investing is how you beat inflation, grow your wealth, and reach financial freedom faster. Stocks are pieces of ownership in a company. When the company makes money, so do you, through growth or dividends. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, let you buy small pieces of lots of companies in one go. They're perfect for beginners. Mutual funds are managed by humans. ETFs are mostly automated. ETFs often have lower fees and are easier to trade. Some platforms let you start with as little as $10. Look for low fees, good UI, and educational tools. Too busy to pick stocks? Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront automate the process based on your goals. Markets go up and down. Don't invest money you'll need in the next year. Always diversify to reduce your risk. A balanced beginner portfolio could include a broad ETF like VU, a few individual stocks, and some safe cash options. Hit that subscribe button if this helped you feel more confident about investing in 2025. Drop your biggest question in the comments, I'll personally reply.